Hey, it's Jess at Bodify. I'm so excited to show you our office. It has been our home for 6 years. We've frozen a lot of fat and transformed a lot of bodies. So let's take a look. First step along our tour is the mighty man cave. Don't know if you've heard, but turns out fat does not discriminate and men have fat too. So we were very intentional about creating a space where men could sit back, relax, and freeze their fat. This is one of our 2 consultation rooms. Such a great room to come, sit down in, talk about all your cool sculpting questions, talk about which areas frustrate you, find out how much it costs and if it's a fit for you. Here's one of our treatment rooms, and it's a beautiful room. This is where the magic happens. We love these machines. They latch onto you, they pull up your fat, they cool that fat, and over the course of 2 to 5 months, those stubborn fat cells say bye-bye for good. Into our photo room. I have to say, I've had a lot of conversations in this photo room, and I absolutely love it. It's where we take 360 photos, we match up your before and after so that you can truly see the consistent and predictable results that CoolSculpting Elite achieves. We guarantee results, so it's very important for us that we get you on that wheel. We take those pictures, we match them up, and we say, hey, did we achieve what we promised? We'd love to have you down at Bodify. Again, this is our space, and we'd welcome you in.